Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Yasin, and today I'm going to help you create your teaching portfolio using Google Drive. But before we do that, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, okay? So let us see how we can create the portfolio. Okay guys, so before we start on creating our portfolio, it will be useful to look at how to organize our portfolio and what to include in this portfolio. So first of all, for your teaching portfolio, you will need to include what? A teaching philosophy. In this teaching philosophy, you will combine your teaching purpose, style, and technique into one document. So we have one document for purpose, style, and technique. Then you must include 10 complete lesson plans with the lengths of your micro lessons embedded in each lesson plan. Okay. Then 2 toolbox activities and selfie with photo ID. Here is an example. We will see it together. Okay, this is Jessica's selfie. You see, so this is an example. Then we have an optional document, which is 1 week lesson plan. Okay, so these are the items that we should or we must include in our teaching portfolio. So let's see how to organize those items. First of all, we have a portfolio title. So to make your portfolios easily identifiable for our reviewers, please title your portfolio submission to include your name. Okay. We have an example here, like Jessica Cinco teaching portfolio, Elizabeth Busaitis teaching portfolio. So Yasin Agnaw teaching portfolio. This is an example. Okay, so let's see how to organize them. To make it easier for your peers to review, please use the following titles and numbers to organize the items in your portfolio. We have first teaching philosophy, then edited reading, writing lesson plan with technology, and of course, embedded corresponding link to micro teaching video in the lesson plan. Then we have number 2, technology enriched reading, writing lesson plan with the link. Number 3, edited listening, speaking lesson plan with technology. 4, technology enriched listening, speaking lesson plan with its link, of course. Then 5, grammar lesson plan with its link. 6, pronunciation lesson plan with the link. 7, capstone 1 lesson plan with its link. So we will go back to capstone project 1 and take the lesson plan and its corresponding link. 8, original reading, writing, grammar lesson plan. You know, it means the first draft that you did. Then number 9, original listening, speaking, pronunciation lesson plan with its link, of course. 10, technology enriched lesson plan with its link, of course. Toolbox tip number 1, toolbox tip number 2, selfie with photo ID. Okay, and as I said, we have an optional document, which is 1 week lesson plan from capstone 1. But if you would like to, if you choose to include it, please label it or give it a name like 1 week lesson plan. So this is how we should organize our portfolio. So now let's go ahead and start on creating the portfolio. Okay. Okay, guys. So now after we have seen how to organize and what to include in our portfolio, we will start on creating the teaching portfolio using Google Drive. Okay. So we'll enter Google Drive. Okay. So the first step that we will do is to go to New, then click on Folder. So new folder will be our teaching portfolio. So we must give it our name, for example, okay, teaching portfolio, okay, then click on create. Now, after I have created my teaching portfolio, I will go into it, okay? So now what are we going to do? We have already said that our teaching portfolio must include some items, okay? So now we will upload those items to our teaching portfolio. So to do so, I already gathered my works in one document, okay? As you can see here. So we have one document containing all the required items, okay? So we have, if you can see here, we have 10 lesson plans. Let's check one of them. As you can see here, we have a lesson plan and its link. So it's really important to have the link, okay? Then we'll see another one, for example. Here is another one with its link. Okay? So you must label them like this. You must label them like this. You see the names that I gave them? 1, 2, 3, until 10. Then we have 1 week lesson plan. We said it's optional. Then we have selfie with photo ID, teaching philosophy, toolbox tip number 1, toolbox tip number 2. For this teaching philosophy, I'm going to edit it. Okay, I will start with point. Okay, like this. So what are we going to do? We will click here, then click on File Upload. Since all my works are already organized, labeled, as you can see here, edited, read and write a lesson plan with technology, with the link to micro teaching video in the lesson plan. So I'm going to select all of them, okay? Then open and wait for them to be uploaded. As you can see here, all of the items are uploaded. So we have, first of all, teaching philosophy, then number 1, edited reading, write and lesson with the link, and so on. So we have 10 lesson plans, 1 week lesson plan which is optional, selfie with photo ID, toolbox tip 1, toolbox tip 2. Okay, but there is a problem that you must avoid. Okay, some of the students, they create their portfolio, but they forget to check the sharing of the item. Okay, for example, I have choose teaching philosophy. I need to go to share and check its setting. Okay, so I will go directly here, get link. As you can see here, it's restricted. Only people added can open with this link. So this setting will not make it easier for the reviewers to grade your portfolio. So you need to change it to anyone with the link. You see, anyone on the internet with this link can view, because we are going to provide our link for this teaching portfolio. Done. Okay. Then we will do it with the rest of the items. So you need to go over all of them. Okay. Share again. We have here share. Then change to anyone with the link. Okay. Perfect. So you need to go over all the items that we have here and change this setting. Okay. And you will go back and click again on your new folder, which is the portfolio. Then you will do the same to it. Okay. You click on share. Then what? We will change this restricted to anyone. So anyone with the link. Done. Okay. So now our portfolio is finished. It's ready to be submitted. Okay. So I will go back, click on folder. Okay. Then click on share. Okay. Then we click on copy link. So this link that I copied right now, it's the one that I'm going to submit. So I already submitted and it was graded. So when you go here, submission, as you can see, I have given it my name, Yasin Agnawi's teaching portfolio. This is the title. Then you will copy the link. So I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or recommendations, please comment on this section below. Okay, so see you next time.